Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you genotype plus genotype by environment interaction Biplot analysis using R software by using the GGE Biplot GUI package. And I hope this tutorial will help you more because the method of creating the genotype plus genotype by environment interaction Biplot is very easy and in a simplified form, and no need to write a number of codes or scripts. So if you have in this package, you have to just call the devtools package first. Then if you have in this package, it's better to load from the cran or from GitHub. Then again, since this package, that means the GGE Biplot GUI package is removed from the cran mirror, so you have to install from GitHub. So in order to install that one, you have to use the function install underscore GitHub, then write this syntax, then submit to RStudio, or alternatively you can download the zip format for the GGE Biplot GUI package, and you can change this from the cran. And for me, here is the GGE Biplot, this one, so you can import, then simply you can sorry, I'm not selected. So this then and install. So since I have the package, no need to install it again. So by these two ways, you can incorporate the genotype plus genotype environmental interaction Biplot GUI package in our software. Then after that, you have to simply call this package by using the library function. And for this tutorial, we will use the data name Ontario, which is 9. Let's submit it and let's see. There is 9 environment, as you can see in this one, and 18 cultivars, or 18 interest means it is 18 genotypes or cultivars across 9 environment, and the values that you see here 4.1, 4.417 and something are the mean grain yield of each cultivars across the environment. So in order to create the Biplot, so you have to use GGEBiplot functions and immediately provide the data name or your data name. So yeah, when you do this, you'll get this dialog box. Then after life will be easy. No need to write any script, no need to write any code. So you will never commit any error, and again it will save your time. So say okay. Then as you can see here, it is GG genotype plus genotype by environment interaction Biplot, and obviously it is principal component 1. Axis 1 is represent the principal component 1. Again, axis 2 is represent principal component 2. But if you are interested to change the principal component to 3 or 4, 5 and 6, whatever it is, so click this one, then you can do in this way. In similar fashion, you can also compare the principal component 5 and the 6, then you can proceed. So by this way also you can provide a number of principal components. And then after you can, if you are interested to see the 3-dimensional way, so you can click this one, then do this one, so you will get this 3-dimensional graphical approach. Moreover, let's go for the format. For example, if you want to change the background color. So if you tap this one, for example, if you type this, automatically the background will be changed from what it is to this color. Then again, you can also change the color for the genotype level. So for example, if I want to do this one, red one, so immediately the genotype color will be changed. And most of the time the background color is preferred to have white, so I change it this way. Again, if you want to change the color of the environmental labels, this is displayed in the blue. Let's change to this one. So you can change it this way, but more or less the environment as well as the color of genotype label is similar. So let's change to other color. Let's use this one. So in this way you can also change the level of genotype as well as environment. Moreover, you can change also the font. For example, if you want to increase the font size, so you type this one. So as you can see here, both the genotype as well as the environment level increased. Again, in similar fashion, if you want to decrease the font size, use the smaller. So let's use the default. Additionally, you can set here your model. For example, if you want to scale, it's divided by null or using the standard deviation. So you can, 0 means no scaling, 1 means it is standard deviation. So again, you can this way. Moreover, centered by here is we already selected the tester centered, but if you are interested in the global centered G plus genotype by environment interaction, but our aim is to perform genotype plus genotype by environment interaction, so we select this one. Moreover, the SCVP or singular value decompositions, you can use the JK, GH, HI as well as the SQ. So we selected the column metric preserving, or you can change it to symmetrical. So these are the function of models. And moreover, the biotools. For example, if you want to examine the genotype, you have to use these options. Then you can select the genotypes that you want to examine. Let's say here is GI, so let's admit this one. Or maybe if you are interested in another genotype, let's say here is this genotype. Since we have 18 genotypes, so you can select in this way. So interesting. Moreover, if you want to examine an environment, so you can select from the given environment. We, as you know, that we have 9 environments. So let's select this one, then submit to our studio. So you can examine environment by this way. Additionally, if you want to see the relation among the environments, so you can type this one and it will display this way. Let's continue. Again, let's compare to genotypes. So it will give you 2 options to select or to feed the 2 genotypes that you want to compare. Let's compare this one, again this one. So this way you can compare your 2 genotypes. And again, if you want to go for which one where, so you have to use this one, then to display in this way. Additionally, also if you want to go for the discriminative versus representativeness way, so you have to use this one. So you can also get this biplots. Then the mean versus stability, you can get this one. And again, if you want to rank the environment and genotype, so it will give you two options, and the first option is with ranking of environment with reference to ideal environment, or the second option is ranking of genotype with reference to the ideal genotype. Let's select the first one. So as you can see in the image, there is ranking of environment to with reference to the ideal environment. And again, let's see ranking of genotype with reference to the ideal genotype. So again, to display the ranking of genotypes by referring to the ideal one. And if you are interested to just back to your basic plots or to the original data, so go to this end to display the result. Then if you want to save the biplot that you create, for example, let's save the ranking of genotype. So there are a number of formats. First, you can copy the image and paste somewhere or to your document, or the second one is saving of the image in different alternatives. And there are around 6 alternatives in the form of PDF, in the form of PostScript file, in the form of BMP file, PNG, JPG, as well as text file. So let's save in the form of PNG, and let's say GGE. Yeah, GGE is desktop. Then go to desktop and search GGE. So the image will save to our desktop permanently. So these are the very easy and also simplified way of carrying out of genotype plus genotype by environment interaction by Biplot analysis using the GGEBiplotGUI package. So this is all about today's tutorial. I hope it helps you a lot, and don't forget to provide your valuable suggestion, your comment, whatever it is. Just address me through my email, and I will answer as much as possible. So thank you for watching, and have a nice time.